Hi friends, I like to grow veggies in my balcony garden along with my flowering plants. What about you? You may not feed the entire family with this, but it's very satisfying. I just love to pluck the fresh veggies from my garden and take it to the dining table. Now let us see what all veggies we can grow in the balcony garden during the summer season in India. Number one is any kind of vegetables from melon or gourd family, like bitter gourd, pumpkin, bottle gourd, or ridge gourd like this. The main advantage of this type of plants is they don't occupy your floor space. Instead, they will grow vertically and you can grow them in a very small area. Thing to keep in mind while growing these kind of vegetables that they have separate male and female flowers. So you probably need to hand pollinate them because we don't have much bees and butterflies in our balconies all the time, right? This clip is from last year's. We grew 3 bittergourd plants in this windowsill. This year I could not start bittergourd yet because I don't have the seeds, and with this COVID situation I could not arrange for this. Let me see if I could manage some seeds from online. I will definitely start. But this year I have already sown some pumpkin seeds and some of them have already germinated. Then you can grow ladies fingers or bindis or okras. They need little more space than the previous one. You can grow one plant in a 10 inches pot, 2 in 12 inches or 3, 4 in 15 or more. These plants look beautiful too with their unique looking leaves and bright yellow flowers. And once they start producing, you will get the harvest every day. They are very productive vegetables. The next vegetables you can grow in your balcony garden is lal sag or cholai sag or red amaranth. They are very easy to grow and you can grow them in any kind of shallow containers. You may grow them in batches to have continuous supply of amaranths. Even you can have the baby amaranths as the microgreens. And with this comes the next one. Yes, the microgreens. You can grow microgreens throughout the years anytime. If you don't have any balcony space or windowsill, then also we can grow one thing, that is microgreen. I have separate videos on how to grow microgreens without soil and with coco peat. So you can go and watch that as well. The next one is herbs. You can always grow mint, curry leaves, basils during summertime in your balcony garden. They occupy just a little space, but you can get the best aroma from them because you are using them fresh from your garden. There is nothing like a cool summer drink from the fresh mint from your garden. You can also grow summer varieties of some vegetables like brinjal or eggplants or chilies. They can be grown in winter as well as in summer. Choose the summer variety seeds. Gardening helps me to stay positive. Growing veggies and flowering plants give me a sense of achievement, which keeps me motivated and happy. So friends, stay healthy, stay safe, be happy. And for more Planty videos, subscribe to Plantify and hit the bell icon. See you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye.